how I'd make $50 online if I started with nothing. Imagine starting from zero, no money, no job, just a phone or laptop and internet. What would you do to make your first $50 online in 2026? Well, today, I'm showing you exactly how I do it step by step, using only free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and CapCut. No skills? No problem. Let's turn nothing into something. Before you make a single dollar, you need the right mindset. You don't need to be a genius, just be consistent. Every $50 online starts with one small skill, one small action, and one big decision: to stop scrolling and start building. So here's the plan. I'd pick 3 simple methods that anyone can start with right now for free. Method 1, micro-task fastest. Go to sites like Remotasks, ClickWorker, or Sprout Gigs. You can do small online tasks, writing short reviews, testing apps, labeling images. It's not huge money, but it's your first step, your first $10 to $20. Method 2, freelance and resell gigs. Next, I'd go on Fiverr, Upwork, or Legion, but instead of waiting for skills, I'd use ChatGPT to write for clients, Canva to design social posts, and even CapCut to edit videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If I don't have clients yet, I'd resell gigs, hire someone cheap on Fiverr, and sell the same service with better branding. That's how digital hustlers double their income online. Method 3, create and grow. Once I make my first $50, I'd invest back, create digital products like templates on Canva or short motivational videos edited in CapCut. Upload them to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, because once you start creating, you open the door to passive income. Most people fail not because it's hard, but because they quit too early. $50 might seem small, but it's proof that you can do it. From $0 to $50 means your mindset works. And if you can make $50 once, you can make $500, $5,000, even more. The tools are free: Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut. The only price is your consistency. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, and let your future self thank you later. Start small. Stay consistent. Win big. If this video gave you a spark, hit that like, subscribe, and comment starting today below if you're ready to make your first $50 online. Let's grow together. 2026 is your year.